And in an outrageous statement, Madhya Pradesh Industries and Commerce Minister Kailash Vijayvargiya has invited trouble for himself. Kailash Vijayvargiya said that women who cross limits invite trouble for themselves. The minister bringing embarrassment to the Bharatiya Janata Party and to the government of Shivraj Singh Chauhan.
मेरा यही कहना है कि जहाँ जहाँ मर्यादाएं टूट रही है वहाँ इस प्रकार की विकृति आएगी। आप टीवी में परिवार के साथ बैठकर विज्ञापन भी नहीं देख सकते। जब इस प्रकार के विज्ञापन आएंगे तो स्वाभाविक है कि विकृति को आप रोकेंगे नहीं। म्यूजिक कैसा बज रहा है, गाने कैसे चल रहे हैं, इन सब के ऊपर समग्र रूप से विचार करके समाज में आ रही विकृति अगर रोकी जा सकती है तो सिर्फ हमारे बीच में से ही चिंतन करके और कुछ मर्यादाओं का हमें पालन करना होगा, तो शायद इस प्रकार की विकृति कम हो जाए। एक ही शब्द है सिर्फ, मर्यादा। मर्यादा का उल्लंघन होता है तो सीता हरण हो जाता है। जब लक्ष्मण रेखा हर व्यक्ति की खींची हुई है, उस लक्ष्मण रेखा को कोई भी पार करेगा तो रावण सामने बैठा है तो सीता हरण करके ले जाएगा।
And Ashutosh now joins us on the phone line for more on this. Ashutosh, clearly the political leadership hasn't learned much from the recent incidents. Any word from the Chief Minister's office?
Definitely, there's a repeatedly statement from the many politicians we have seen so far. Earlier, we have seen that many Trinamool Congress leaders also has made such a remark. And now the BJP leader from the state, Cabinet Minister Kailash Vijayvargiya, has given such an irresponsible remark. And he suggested that if women breach their moral limits, they ask for punishment. So this is such an irresponsible statement which has given by the BJP cabinet minister, who used to be the industrial and commerce minister of the state also. And he has also quoted the incident of Ramayana in a very bizarre context and said that Sita has also was punished by Ravana as he actually crossed the limits. So this is a statement which is given by the person who is sitting on such a high altitude in the political scenario.
Well, Ashutosh, any word from the opposition in the state when it comes to condemning the statements made by this cabinet minister from MP?
The Congress has already has made it very much clear that they are going to protest against the Kailash Vijayvargiya for this remark, and now they have also demanded for appellation from the Kailash Vijayvargiya, and he should speak publicly that what he exactly wants to speak on this particular issue. So Congress has already demanded his clarification on this particular issue, and the Congress Women Wing has also said that they are going to protest against the Kailash Vijayvargiya across the state, and they will also demand appellation from the Kailash Vijayvargiya. So Congress has already made it a big issue against the BJP state government. We have also spoken to many NGOs and many social activists on this issue. They've also said that this is a very irresponsible remark from the side of Kailash Vijayvargiya, the cabinet minister of the state, and they also demanded that he should either clarify his statement, what he exactly want to say, or either he should come up with some clarification.